वेलकम टू बलूच स्कॉलरशिप कॉर्नर। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल का बटन दबाएं ताकि हर आने वाला स्कॉलरशिप का इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोगों को आसानी से हासिल हो सके। जो इसी तरह आप लोगों के लिए मैं हर आने वाला नया स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन बनाता रहूँगा, आप लोगों को उसका नोटिफिकेशन आसानी से हासिल हो सके। वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ स्कॉलरशिप। टुडे I have brought information about Beijing Normal University CSC Scholarship 2021 study in China. You must apply for this scholarship because it's so easy and you have 190% chance to get this scholarship. In Beijing Normal University, Chinese government CSC 2021 accepting application for master program and PhD degree program. Beijing Normal University offer many scholarships for international students around the world. Teaching language will be either Chinese or English depending upon the degree you are enrolled in BNU. Chinese University program is fully funded scholarship program and established by the Ministry of Education in China support Chinese University in specific provinces. So you must apply for this. Beijing Normal University was founded and all information about these mentioned here for Beijing University. So Beijing Normal University CSC scholarship details. What are the details of Beijing University scholarship? University Beijing Normal University, country China, study level master and PhD. The study level of this scholarship is master and PhD. Deadline is April 30, 2021. The deadline is so far. You must try your luck. Don't miss this golden opportunity. You must try your luck and must apply. Duration. The master duration is 2 to 3 years and the PhD degree duration is 3 to 4 years. Eligibility criteria for master and PhD program. Applicant must be non-Chinese nationality and good health. There must be an international student out of China or graduate of Chinese university are eligible to apply for this scholarship. It means you must not be belong to China, and this scholarship is for international students. Excellence performance and study. Your performance and study should be excellent. Applicant should have a good ability in scientific research. You must have good ability in scientific research for thesis. Applicant for master degree student must be under age 35 and doctoral degree student must be under age 40. If you are applying for master degree, your age must be 35, or if you are applying for doctoral degree, your age must be under 40. Financial coverage. BNU CSC scholarship. Beijing Normal University Chinese cover the following expenses. Full tuition fee. It will cover full tuition fee, comprehensive medical insurance, accommodation fee, registration fee. Monthly spend for master 3000 RMB, for doctoral student 3500 RMB. Which courses are available field in major for master and PhD program. The program offer degree program in English as well as in Chinese. Which courses are available? If you want to check out the course for more details, click here to check out the courses. BNU scholarship for master program and PhD program. Following documents are required. BNU Chinese government scholarship. First, your degree and transcript must be attested by a notary public. So the second is passport size photo. The third is scanned copy of passport. 2 recommendation letter. You must get 2 recommendation letter from your previous institute. For example, if you are enrolled or you have studied your previous institute, you must take 2 recommendation letter from your assistant professor or professor. Personal statement of a study plan or research proposal. You must write a personal statement or a study plan or research proposal, and also you should write, and also you have to send these documents. Proof of language proficiency. If your native language is not in English, you must prove your language proficiency. You can also get a language proficiency certificate from your previous institute, or you have the given IELTS, TOEFL test. They are also acceptable for this scholarship. Photocopy for foreign physical examination form. It means your good and condition, health condition. You must get a photocopy of your health examination. Also you have to send that. Personal statement you have to write and also send. Acceptance letters optional because this scholarship don't need any acceptance letter. If you have any acceptance letter from Chinese professor, it's good and well. If you don't have, it's okay. Or any other supporting document, for example any other diploma degrees you have to send it to for this scholarship. Language requirement: Chinese medium courses report HSK4 or above, score 210 or above, valid for 2 years. English level certificate: English medium courses ALS 5.5 or above, or TOEFL 80 or above, report valid for 2 years. Or English proficiency: it means if you don't have ALS and TOEFL, you can apply for the scholarship through English proficiency certificate provided by your previous academic institution. I told you before. Agency number: the agency number of the Beijing Normal University is 10027 type B. You have to write this number from your application palm. You can download application palm from official site. I will visit official site and tell you how to write these. If you download application palm, they are mentioned on top that the agency number and type B. Scholarship offer: Beijing Normal University, Chinese Government Scholarship, Confucius Institute Scholarship, Beijing Government Scholarship, BNU Scholarship for international students. All these 4 scholarships are available for this program. Deadline: the last date of deadline for Beijing University Scholarship international students all around the world is April 30, 2021. How to apply for this scholarship? The process of the scholarship is online. This is online procedure. Step 1: must fill the Chinese Scholarship Council CSC application form. Where you can get application form: applicant for online portal. This is the online portal link. I will provide this link also in the video description. You must check it out. Step 3: pay the application fee, only 6,000 RMB. Only 6,000 RMB you should pay, and also send your send all copies once at the university address before the deadline. This is the university address complete. You should download the application form and submit it and fill it with your all attached documents which are required and send it to this, and also submit the fee for 6,000 RMB. Mostly people will not apply for this because it have a small amount of fee, but if you pay the small amount of fee, if you send these, you have 100% chance to get this scholarship. Official link: let's check it out. The official link: this is the official link of universities. So official link of university, application candidates, all are mentioned here. How can you download the application form? Application form is also mentioned here. You can read it here. You can get the application form. Applicant for master degree, here the PhD degree, all procedure are mentioned here. You can read complete here. Completely information are here mentioned here. Transcript, PhD program, language, the original statement, 10 CSC application form. This is the CSC application form option. Admission, you can check it out here. Pakistani applicant, please see here. You can, if you are living in Pakistan, please click here to search here for the application form. Apply now. You can click here, apply now. You can get also the application form. Here you have to create your portal ID, register first, then you have to apply online. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help. You must try your luck for applying for this institute. Best of luck. Please subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get information regarding newly scholarship, internship and much more.